Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm bringing you guys a makeup look today, this simple everyday makeup with a red lip. So you never want to start your makeup without applying some type of primer first. So I'm using Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer. Lately I've been loving Fenty Beauty's Pro Filtr foundation and I'm in the shade 420. I'm applying that and blending it out with a damp beauty blender. Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation. Next, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow Corrector to apply my under eye highlight. And before I blend that out, I actually sprayed some Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And I've started applying setting spray between applying my foundation, concealer, and my powder. I feel like it just helps everything blend more flawlessly. So next, to contour, I'm using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Deep Espresso. And I really like this particular line. As you all know, NYX is super affordable, so this concealer is like extremely cheap. And I like the fact that these shades run really dark. And I'm still using my damp beauty blender to blend that all the way out. So as you guys can see, my brows are super scarce and just not there. I over tweezed back in my younger days, but I always start by brushing my eyebrows up. And then I'm going to be using Anastasia Dip Brow in the shades Dark Brown and Ebony. And so I use the dark brown to outline the actual shape of my brow and also to fill in the front of my brow. And then I use Ebony towards the tail end of my brow. I like the tail to be a little bit darker. And so as you guys can see, I'm just making really small light strokes, like trying to make them look as hair-like as possible. And then I just go through and brush the product with my spoolie, and then I'm going to outline with my matte concealer in the shade NW40. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and applying this again with my damp beauty blender. And then I'm going to be adding the Mercier Deep Setting Powder to the places where I added my contour. And then also to pretty much everywhere else I did not add light setting powder. I'm just going to add the darker setting powder. I'm blending all of that out again with my damp beauty blender. And I'm going to sharpen up my contour with some more of the light translucent setting powder. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit to add a little bit of highlight to the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and then also to the top of my lip. And I'm using Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner in the shade Blackout. And if you have problems applying eyeliner, I would suggest you get the ones like this one with the skinny brush. It's easier to apply. And then I'm going to be using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to add more setting spray and some Stunna lip paint by Fenty Beauty to finish off the look. And I added my lashes off camera, and I'll list the type of lashes that I'm wearing in the description box below. And so yeah, this is a finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this look. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe.